Hey guys, welcome back to another video with your girl Unruly Shana. So today I'm back in the kitchen again, so I'm cooking some rice and peas. So we're cooking some brown stew pork. See the pork then nice, clean up already, so I'm gonna start seasoning it up right now. And there's the chicken, so you know we're gonna french fry some chicken with rice and peas. So guys, you know the peas done cook, so I'm gonna try my rich natural coconut juice that I grater, real Jamaican style. Yeah, yeah man. So yeah, I'm gonna make that go on boil now for 15 minutes. Yeah man. So yes guys, here's the pork. The pork is already seasoned up. So when I cut up on this, I cut up onions, scallion, thyme, garlic, pepper, and I also grate a piece of ginger. So yep. And I add a little bit of browning with my Maggi all-purpose seasoning, a little bit of black pepper, and a little bit of salt for taste. Yep.